Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make macaroni salad like Ono Hawaiian BBQ. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of cooked elbow macaroni, cooled completely. For the dressing, have 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of grated onion, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Don't forget 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and salt and pepper to season. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious, creamy salad. Now, let's create that signature creamy dressing. In a large mixing bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of grated onion, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Whisk these together until they are fully incorporated. Next, slowly add the 1/4 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar, continuing to whisk until the dressing is smooth and lump-free. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, tasting to ensure it's perfectly balanced. With our dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the cooled, cooked elbow macaroni to the large bowl with your creamy dressing. Using a spatula, gently fold the macaroni into the dressing, ensuring every single piece is completely coated. This step is crucial for that rich, uniform flavor. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the salad for a minimum of 4 hours. Chilling overnight allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a truly authentic taste. Before serving your delicious macaroni salad, give it a good stir to ensure the dressing is evenly distributed and the texture is perfect. For a touch of visual appeal, you can garnish it with a light sprinkle of paprika or some freshly chopped parsley. This macaroni salad is best served chilled, making it an ideal accompaniment to your favorite grilled meats, barbecue, or any Hawaiian-inspired meal. Enjoy this creamy, flavorful side dish that truly captures the essence of Ono Hawaiian BBQ.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.